Imagine flying straight through a forest scab, driving down a cliff face, rolling upside down over a river, and then reframing every angle afterward as if an invisible camera operator was chasing you through the sky. That's the promise behind the mini pilots are calling the DJI Avata 360 experience. It combines the immersive feeling of first person view flight with the creative freedom of 360-degree capture and post production reframing, giving creators a way to produce cinematic footage that would have been extremely difficult just a few years ago. And whether you're a content creator, a traveler, action sports enthusiast, or someone who simply loves technology, understanding how this setup works can completely change the way you think about aerial video. The biggest advantage is the flexibility. The traditional drone footage locks you into the angle you record during the flight. And if the camera was pointed slightly too high or too low, that mistake is baked into the final video. And with a 360 workflow, the entire environment is captured around the aircraft, allowing you to decide later where the viewers should be looking. And that means one flight can produce multiple edits, multiple camera perspectives, and multiple social media clips without needing to repeat the shot. And for creators trying to maximize content output, that's a huge advantage. The Avata platform is already known for combining speed, agility, and stability in a compact design. And unlike larger cinematic drones that require wide open spaces, the Avata is built for dynamic movement in tighter environments, and it can navigate areas where larger aircraft become difficult to operate, creating an experience that feels more like flying than simply hovering. And when paired with a 360 capture workflow, that agility becomes even more powerful because every movement creates opportunities for dramatic camera angles. And one moment, the viewer can be positioned behind the drone, and the next, they can be looking straight down at the landscape. And moments later, they can be viewing a simulated third-person chase shot that looks like another aircraft was following along. One reason so many creators are excited about this style of filming is because it blurs the line between drone footage and action camera footage. And traditional drone videos, they often have a recognizable look, and they're smooth, elevated, and cinematic, but sometimes they can feel distant from the action. A 360 aerial workflow allows editors to create shots that feel more personal and immersive, and the camera can appear to orbit around the drone, track alongside it, or even create perspectives that seem impossible in real life. The result is footage that feels fresh compared to standard aerial videos. And another major benefit to is the stabilization. The modern 360 camera systems use advanced software to smooth out the movement and vibrations combined with the stability already presented in the Avata platform. The final results can look incredibly polished, fast, fast dives, sweeping turns, and aggressive maneuvers can be transformed into fluid cinematic sequences. And this is especially useful for creators who want dynamic action without making viewers feel motion sickness. Instead of every movement appearing harsh and abrupt, stabilization helps preserving the excitement while maintaining a professional appearance. And for travel creators, the possibilities are enormous. Imagine exploring the mountain roads, the coastlines, the waterfalls, the deserts, or the city skylines. Instead of committing to one camera angle during the flight, you can focus safely on flying and capturing the environment. And later, during editing, you can craft the story however you want. Imagine one version emphasizes the landscape, another version highlights the movement of the drone itself, a third version focuses on a specific landmark, and the same flight can become multiple pieces of content across different platforms. And if you want to learn more about the hardware, the compatible accessories, or current specifications, check out the link in the description where you can view the product, compare the features, and see the purchase options. Battery performance is another important consideration. Dynamic FPV style flying, first person view, I don't even know what the FPV means, but flying naturally consumes more power than slow cinematic hovering. Pilots often plan flights carefully to maximize the useful footage while maintaining safe battery reserves. But the good news is that efficient flight planning combined with a creative 360 workflow means fewer repeated takes may be necessary. Because the camera captures everything around the aircraft, you have more freedom in post-production to salvage moments that might otherwise have been discarded. And that can translate into more usable content from every battery cycle. And let's talk about editing, because that's where much of the magic happens. After recording, specialized software allows creators to reframe shots, choose camera angles, and generate virtual camera movements instead of moving a physical camera during flight. You're effectively directing the camera afterwards, and this opens the door to dramatically reveal smooth pans, tracking shots, and unique perspectives that would be difficult or impossible to execute manually. And for creators accustomed to traditional video editing, the learning curve may take a little time, but the creative payoff can be substantial. Social media creators particularly benefit from the flexibility. The vertical videos, the horizontal videos, the shorts, the reels, and cinematic presentations all require different framing. Normally, that would require planning during filming. With a 360 workflow, though, creators can generate multiple aspect ratios from the same recording session, and one flight can feed content pipelines across numerous platforms, increasing efficiency and maximizing the return on every shoot. And safety also deserves some attention too. The immersive nature of the FPV flight is exciting, but responsible operation is essential. Pilots should always understand local regulations, maintain situational awareness, and practice in appropriate environments. While technology continues to improve obstacle handling, stabilization, and flight assistance, good judgment remains the most important safety feature available. And developing skills gradually and respecting operating guidelines helps ensure a better experience and protects both the equipment and the bystanders. Another reason the Avata style ecosystem has become so popular is accessibility. In the past, FPV flying often requires extensive building, tuning, soldering, and troubleshooting, and modern integration systems dramatically reduce that complexity. Its pilots can spend less time configuring hardware and more time creating content, and that lower barrier to entry has helped bring immersive flight experience to a much wider audience, including photographers, filmmakers, and hobbyists who may have considered FPV before. And the visual storytelling opportunities are where things become truly exciting. A simple flight through a forest can feel like a scene from a movie. A run along a coastline can look like a high-budget travel documentary. A pass through the architectural structure can create a sense of scale that is difficult to communicate from the ground because the viewer isn't looked into a single perspective. The final edit can guide attention exactly where it needs to go. And the ability to shape the viewing experience after the flight is one of the defining advantages of the DJI Avata 360 approach. And for people who are considering whether this style of content creation is worth the investment, the answer depends on goals. If your primary objective is basic aerial photography, a standard drone setup may already satisfy your needs. However, if you want immersive motion, dramatic perspective, creative reframing, and the ability to generate multiple edits from a single flight, the value proposition becomes much stronger. And content creation is increasingly competitive, and unique visuals can help projects stand out in crowd feeds and video platforms. Before making a decision, though, take a look in the link in the description to view the product, explore the specifications in greater detail, and check the available purchase information. Seeing the technical detail and supported features can help determine whether this setup matches your workflow and creative goals. And looking ahead, the combination of FPV flight and 360 capture represents a significant shift in aerial storytelling, and the technology is giving creators more freedom than ever before, reducing the limitation that once forced difficult decisions during filming. And instead of worrying about whether the camera was pointed in exactly the right direction, and creators can focus on capturing the moment and building the story later. That creates the flexibility, and it's powerful. It's one of the most reasons that this category continues to grow. The DJI Avata 360 concept isn't just about flying a drone. It's about capturing an environment in a way that allows endless creative possibilities after the aircraft lands. And from travel videos and action sports to cinematic productions and social media content, the ability to reframe, stabilize, and reinvent footage has changed the expectation for what aerial video can be. And as technology continues advancing, creators who embrace these tools will have more opportunities to tell the story that feels immersive, dynamic, and unforgettable. We'll see you guys tomorrow.